Hello, Skylab. This is Mission Control calling Skylab. Come in, please. Hello, Skylab. This is Mission Control calling Skylab. Come in, Skylab. Mission Control calling Skylab.
Turn the radio down. I'm sorry, I had my radio up. Go ahead.
Yes, Skylab, just calling to remind you that it's time for Commander Rinaldi's spacewalk.
Okay, I'll tell him.
What'd he say?
He said it's time for your spacewalk.
Okay. See you in 20 minutes.